Okay, here's a good tip for you. See these circles? They're face nails. It's a roofing nail nailed right through the slate. While this isn't proper, this sometimes isn't a leak. You just have to seal off those nail heads and conceal them. This is part of the trick I'm going to show you. I'm on a roof now. The slates are baked out. The nails are rusting out and they're literally sliding down. We're going to re-secure them. But I'm going to show you this trick on how to hide things. Right here we have nail pops. That's where a nail pushes a hole through the slate. I slide a piece of coil stock or aluminum under there. Then I take my caulk gun, I fill the hole, take some slate dust or a chip of a flake slate and conceal it by hiding it over it. This way, as soon as you turn around, walk away 5 feet, you'll never see it. A chameleon's right in. I will be showing you those 3 or 4 nail heads that I caulked and put dust over, and you tell me if you could see it. There's no clever camera work here. Also, I'm going to be showing you a neat trick on how to, I wouldn't say properly face nail, but a way you could conceal a nail without using a shim. If you watch my videos, here's the slate dust. You just put it over there, rub it in, and then you'll never see it. Once that washes off or blows around, it's stuck into the caulk. Caulk hardens, and here's the slate dust to it. Bam. You're done. Now here, tell me if you could find the slate with the nail heads in it. You can't. It looks beautiful. Okay, now we're going to get to this trick. A guy showed me how to repair a wood shake wall. A wood shake sided wall. And what he does is he leaves the wood shake down a 1/2 inch, toe nails the wood shake in on an angle, and then taps the wood shake up and drives the nail in. That's what I'm doing here. I'm leaving my slate down. I punch in on an angle, drive my nail in on an angle, lift the neighboring slate up higher, take my punch, drive that shank in, or the nail head, this is a steel one. Then as I get it up higher, it slides the slate up, I nail the head down, and I keep repeating the process until what you see here is the nail head is almost completely concealed under that slate. Then we cover with caulk, do the same procedure over. There you have it.